Okay guys, I'm gonna start reading another book. At one point here, I'm probably gonna have um, I might have like 3 or 4 going. I don't think I want to be reading any more than 3 at once though. But I'm just saying, I should have said this in my first video. I'll have playlists of for each separate book, because in my regular list I sometimes add like a random nature video or something comedic from the panel verse. So if you're trying to like stay in some kind of order, you can go to the playlist for that book. So with that being said, this one is called Samadhi, Unity of Consciousness and Existence. This is my kind of thing. I love the spiritual stuff. Deep, makes you think. Okay, the nature of existence. Simply put, existence is everything that exists in any permutation. Even existence itself is an existing entity. Non-existence is impossible. Existence is absolute. In its essence, it is like the space which enables the existence of everything else, the cosmos. Every form of existence must take place within the confines of the space that enables it, while simultaneously space itself is unconditioned by any form of existence. We're going to hear the word existence a lot, obviously. Okay, back to it. Therefore, it can be said that existence splits itself into space, which further enables the existence of everything that is shaped within this space. This division is, however, ostensible. The nature of our own perception forces us to view things in this way. Only space is the unconditioned wholeness, which keeps shaping itself into a distinct existence. Oh, it's funny. I remember I've been reading this, and just like I said with chaos, like there's some sections that just that don't stand out as, really good. And I'm just going to be that person that skips around in books, skims through, and kind of like reads and records the really good stuff. So let me see here. Bear with me. The nature of energy. Let's go with over here. Okay. If energy is at the core of everything, the obvious question becomes, what is energy? The word itself derives from the Greek energia, meaning activity, action, operation. Parsed as in a preposition meaning in, at, plus the noun ergon, work, from Proto-Indo-European word, from whence English work derives. Therefore, energy equals work, and in some sense creation, because only motion can transform an idea into a concrete shape or phenomenon. In other words, this motion is a vibration that enables an idea to manifest. The essence of any motion is vibration, based on electromagnetic polarization. Polarization generates the movement of everything from an electron to gravity. This movement is energy perpetually manifesting itself through some function or motion. Energy is vibration, and the most fundamental vibration of nature is that of the vibrating quantum field. It solely exists of vibrations. For this reason, it is said that it is a field of pure energy and the source of... Come on. Source of all energy there is. The infinite energy of the 0-point dark matter. These vibrations were also called the quantum fluctuation. According to the model of fractal geometry, the initial subtle differences in vibrations come gradually bigger and more complex energy vibrations, namely various vibratory energetic structures and constructions. Furthermore, even more complex forms are manifested as particles on the crude level, and as clusters of particles and atoms that attract or repel each other in accordance with the nature of their vibrations, thus creating bigger forms such as molecules right up until the moment when a group of molecules forms what we recognize as a physical form, a being, a phenomenon, or event. All things and all phenomena come into being according to this model, from the most subtle energy vibrations of the quantum field to the crude physical world we perceive with our senses. For this reason, we say that everything is energy. When we stated above that everything is only space shaping itself into distinct forms, we noted that everything is just akasha, the quantum field that exists only as energy, which shapes itself by means of various frequencies expressing themselves into versatile phenomena. Therefore, all the differences we perceive here, for example, between metal and plastic, are basically just differences in vibrations on the subatomic level. The particles that make metal vibrate one way and plastic another. That's it. There are no differences in the material because nothing is material. Everything is just energy that vibrates in a different way. And yet there's more to say about energy. Its essence can be explained as follows. If energy, being an action, is in its essence a quantum field which is timeless, energy is everything that takes place in the cosmos and everything that possibly could be. Energy is the compressed action of everything, the most subtle expression of that action, because it is the very nature of the quantum field itself. Energy in its quantum essence is the potential information of any kind of phenomenon, none of which is possible without energy. Energy of the quantum field and all the motion and action in the cosmos are one and the same. However, since it occurs in different proportions and dimensions, in the outside world, all energy appears to be crude matter or events in the world, while in the most refined state, in the quantum field, it remains as pure energy or potential. And then in parentheses, it says information, just like up above there. I don't know, they have potential, information next to potential. I just got a book that everyone knows who recommended this book, but what is it? It's the one on etymology. Good old wizard. Concise Dictionary of English Etymology. Really looks amazing. So I'm going to look up the word potential and information. See what it says in there. Alright, let's see. Okay. Existence removes place from time completely, i.e., there is no time in the essence of existence. Therefore, energy for all actions can be manifested in existence during the course of time. It can revert to itself while it is still in existence in the quantum field. The ultimate goal of existence, the energy of the quantum field, can always reach every act of existence in space and time. Bear with there's a lot of words that kind of repeat here in the first few chapters, but then it doesn't do that so much. There's good info, but like I said, I'm noticing a lot of repeating words, and I don't know, it stands out to me. It seems like maybe they could have worded it a little different and then not be repeating words, but I really appreciate, like I said, it seems like a great book. So anywho, where was I at here? The ultimate goal of existence, the energy of the quantum field, can always reach every act of existence in space and time. It does so invariably, the timeless quantum field perpetually expressing itself as a versatile existence in space and time. That is why there is energy in existence everywhere, and why it is not separate from existence. This is a consequence of the independence of the quantum field from time. In its rough expression, energy is somewhat restricted by its purpose and the form of action. And by its purpose and the form of action. But it always maintains its original quantum nature. Otherwise, it would not be energy.